Did you know not only does the Galaxy S25 come with TikTok, but you still get updates? Let's get started. So of course the TikTok ban is across both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. You cannot update TikTok, but there is a third store, the Galaxy Store. And it does look like this. The Galaxy Store does come with every single Samsung phone, and you can actually get to it and then go through your apps. Now there is 3 different ways to get TikTok on your Samsung's phone. The first one is Smart Switch. Simply when you set up your phone using the transfer of Smart Switch will actually bring everything over and set it perfectly. It installs not only the app, but it actually signs in to your accounts. So getting TikTok from the S24 to the S25 would be perfectly easy. But let's say you're not coming from a Samsung. Let's say you're coming from another Android device or even an iPhone. Well, this is where the Galaxy Store is very, very important. So if we happen to search TikTok on the Galaxy Store, this is what comes up. Well, then Google Play Store will make it so that it doesn't work, so that's no fun, right? So you might have thought like, oh, so it doesn't work, you lied to me. Actually, I didn't. There is 2 ways to actually have it work on the Galaxy Store, and it's pretty simple. The first way is if you hit menu and you hit my apps. This is basically if you ever had a Samsung device and you had apps on that Samsung device like TikTok, you can re-download every app you previously had on that phone. So I can actually still click download, and not only did it install, but notice this version did get updated on the 24th after the ban took place. So you will actually continually get updates on this version of TikTok because it is from the Galaxy Store. So that is really cool, the fact that you have that. The third way, by the way, is just if I send you this link, like in the description, you can actually open this page up and then click install. Simple, easy, but those are the 3 different ways you can install TikTok on the Galaxy S25 series. And not to mention, this actually installs on every Samsung smartphone. So if you do use TikTok, you might want to get Samsung. I'm just saying. But seriously, the trade-in values are really good right now. So I'll leave the links in the description for all of the latest Samsung devices and even some of the S24s if you're trying to save some money. But this does work on all modern day Samsung flagships. You can still get TikTok and still get updates. And then by the way, just to verify, I'm gonna open it and it will be able to sign into my accounts. And now that I verified everything, you can see that I have full TikTok and everything is set up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Hopefully you did find this video helpful. And if you did, please give a like and a comment and share this with everyone that wants TikTok in 2025. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.